Look at all the wonderful women behind me. Guys, PITM3 is the best event.
Trainings are about connecting, about learning, about being inspired.
I'm learning so much about how to step up my social media game.
The best way to use Instagram to get more followers, to get more customers.
The distributors who I got to hear present were so inspiring. Jackie freaking killed it. She's amazing. Can we please have her like all the time?
It's the best trainings, the best company, and what a great location. Love it. So much fun.
I mean, look at us feel.
Being able to really focus on exploding my business in a social media world that we live in. And it's really great that SeneGence lets us, come to these events, allows us to, have amazing speakers at these events and really, really dive into our business and make it as big as we want it to be.
I have been with SeneGence for 3 years, and this was my first one to go to, and I'm totally kicking myself for waiting and not going.
All of the trainers here that are in your face, pouring all of their belief, all of their knowledge, all of their experience into you, and it just hits me in the soul where I feel like, I can do this.
It's been a life-changing experience as far as networking, confidence, product knowledge, being a business-minded woman, and just knowing the industry itself.
Cinnamon!
Challenge accepted!
There's nothing like it. These trainings get better and better, and we're not going to miss any.
At the next event, you better be here with me. See you guys.
You want to make sure that you guys get to these events. They are awesome. I have no regrets. I won't miss an event anymore.
You don't want to miss it, trust me.
You guys need to come. Don't miss it.
Had so much fun. See you soon. See you leaders.